stating that the budget allocated to health sector in this financial year has been unprecedented and has indicated the commitment of his government to provide healthcare to all countrymen. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday said that the COVID-19 pandemic has taught us a lesson to be prepared to fight similar challenges in the future. He said the world is looking up to India's health sector, especially after COVID. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday said the world has noted the strength shown by India's health sector during the coronavirus pandemic, asserting that respect for the country's healthcare had gone up. Addressing a webinar on effective implementation of budget provisions in the health sector, the Prime Minister said his government in the budget has provided an opportunity to develop an ecosystem to strengthen better health services to handle any such future pandemic.
कोरोना के दौरान भारत के हेल्थ सेक्टर ने जो मजबूती दिखाई है, अपने जिस अनुभव और अपनी शक्ति का प्रदर्शन किया है, उसे दुनिया ने बहुत बारीकी से नोट किया है। आज पूरे विश्व में भारत के हेल्थ सेक्टर की प्रतिष्ठा और भारत के हेल्थ सेक्टर पर भरोसा एक नए स्तर पर पहुंचा है। हमें इस भरोसे को ध्यान में रखते हुए भी अपनी तैयारियां करनी है।
India, the world's biggest overall vaccine producer, is making tens of thousands of free COVID-19 shots available to several countries under its Vaccine Friendship Program. The Foreign Ministry said India looks to bolster its vaccine diplomacy. While second phase of COVID-19 vaccination is underway across India, some states have reported rise in coronavirus cases. In western Amravati city, streets were largely deserted as week-long curfew has been imposed in the area from Monday. Maharashtra state has ordered fresh restrictions on people's movement and imposed night curfews in some cities, though not in the financial capital Mumbai. In recent days, 75% of India's new cases have been reported from the southern state of Kerala and western Maharashtra state. Meanwhile, India's total tally of COVID-19 cases rose to 11,16,434 on Tuesday, while the recoveries have surpassed 1.07 million.